Hello viewers, welcome to Tactim. Today I will show you how to join a Discord server. There are two types of server. One is private, another one is public. If you want to join a private server, someone will send you that server link. Now log into your Discord account. Then from the left, click add a server. Then from the bottom, click join a server. Now paste that link of that server. Then click join. Now verify that you are human. Here is your server. Now you want to join a public server. From the left, click Explore Public Servers. From there are some suggestions. You can join there or you can search your desired server. Now click that. Now read the rules. Click Cross. From the top of that, click Join that server. Now again verify that you are human. Now you have entered the server. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.